Hey guys, Steve with Diablo from HonestPaint.com, and I am just unboxing something. I wanted to show you what I got. I got this pretty dope fog machine. So it's 400 watts fog machine, pretty cool. And I got it from Amazon, super cheap. It's like, what is it like? It was like 40 bucks, 45 bucks in a case. And then I also got some of this stuff. It's called Fogworks. So I do a lot of the special effects, makeup, paints, and body paint. So I kind of want to add this to my, just to make some cool special effects when I do a lot of my, stuff. So I thought it'd be a really cool idea, and I wanted to share it with you and just see how it goes. So what the heck is in this thing? I'll try to do this with one hand if I can. So here it is, and here is some kind of a pump. Oh no, actually this is the remote control to it, so you can remote control it or whatever. The box here. Alright, so I read the instructions. I put some of this Fogworks, liquid fog, professional special effects, blah blah blah, into there, long lasting. So it got a pretty good review on Amazon, so I bought it. This one had a pretty decent one too. I hooked up the power remote control to the back of the fog machine. Plugged it in, and I filled it up with fog juice or whatever you want to call it inside here. You can kind of see. And it's warming up, so it's said to give like 4 or 5 minutes before you start it. So I'm letting it warm up real fast. And it's 400 watts. It's a fog machine, and it has very simple, basic instructions of what to do. This is warm up time, 3 to 5 minutes. And it holds a pretty decent amount. We'll see how long it lasts. So I moved over here by my workstation, and yeah, it's fogging up the entire room. It's pretty dope. Only thing is, it takes a while to heat up, and you really have to wait for it. Give it like 5 minutes, maybe a little longer than that, honestly. And the whole place is like super heated up. So that's my quick review on this thing, and then it's kind of like tapering off and chilling out. So I guess it automatically comes in bursts is what it looks like. It'll fog up and stop and fog up again. Really cool, and just check it out my channel. I appreciate it. Excuse the mess because I'm painting a bunch of stuff and working on some stuff, but there you go, the fog machine.